look here. Hello, friends. There are so many colorful dinosaurs.
Hello, kids. Amazing looks interesting. Hey, today we are going to craft dinosaurs.
Awesome.
Okay, let's do this. Perfect.
They look so good. I think they are going to slide. This is red color, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Perfect. This is orange color, Triceratops. Wow. This is yellow color, Dinosaurs. Green color, Brachiosaurus. This is blue Spinosaurus. Purple color, Parasaurolophus. Pink color, Stegosaurus.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
So I will see you next time. Bye! Hello, kids.
Hello, friends.
Wow, look at this. What shall we do now?
We are going to craft giraffe. They are going to be so much fun.
Do you think you could help today?
Okay, let's do this. Let's go over there. Oops.
Hey, hello, kids. What's going on?
Do you think you could help today? This is giraffe.
Wow, great job, friends.
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Wow! Look at this place. Awesome! Hello, friends! Amazing looks interesting. Let's look at the color of these balls.
Hey, hello kids! What is this? What are we going to learn today?
We are going to learn colors.
Okay, let's do this.
Roll with me. Let's go over there. Here we go. This is red color. Perfect.
Let's do the next one. Let's go for the next. This is orange color. Yeah!
This is yellow color.
This is green color.
This is blue color.
This is purple color. Awesome!
Fantastic. See you guys
Next with new exciting things. Whoa!
Ooh, have a look here. What is this? Amazing looks interesting. There are so many colorful things. Okay, let's do this. Hello, friends.
Hello, kids. How are you doing today?
What shall we do?
Over here. Bye!
This is an owl. This is red owl. Perfect. This is orange owl. This is yellow owl. Green owl. Blue owl. Purple owl. This is pink owl. That was wonderful. Red ball. Yippee! Great job, friends. See you guys next with new exciting things. are so many colorful roots.
What are we going to learn today?
Hello, kids. This place looks so much fun.
Hello, friends.
Hey, kids, are you playing that game again?
What do you think?
We are going to learn fruits. Interesting.
Okay, let's do this.
Over here. I will show you how. Let's go. Yeah! Pineapple. Perfect. This is a 1.
Let's do the next one. Over there. That is awesome. This is grape. This is 2.
Ooh!
Orange.
This is 3.
An apple. This is 4.
Mango. This is 5.
Dragon fruit. This is 6.
This is tomato. This is 7.
This is lemon. This is an 8.
Strawberry. This is 9.
This is blackberry. This is 10.
Great job, friends.
That was wonderful. Thank you.
Couldn't have done it without you. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Wow! Look at this place. Awesome. Hello, friends.
Hello, kids. are so many colorful things.
Ooh, have a look here. Yes, interesting. Now, what shall we do? Yes, perfect. It's your turn.
Hey, let's go. What do you think? Here we go. Yahoo!
That looks fantastic.
What shall we do next?
Caterpillar. See?
Who is that? This is Caterpillar.
This caterpillar looks fantastic.
See you guys next with new exciting things.